Part-time job at Sprouts. Beach walker, bacon waiter, brings high-quality fish, matching anklets, sells shells, doesn't go out into the ocean. Extra stupid. Usually fishes his own ingredients. Shrimpless fried rice. Stupid. Seafood restaurant owner plus chef. Made the mistake of feeding these two. Matching anklet. I don't get why Cosmo warned me. The waters here are so calming. Maybe it was the east side. Don't go past the coast on the west side. The tides there are kind of dangerous. Think of it, it's kind of quiet. No seagulls, no boats, no fin. It's way too quiet. Oh, I caught one. Jeez. Oh my god, how big is this thing? A huge fish is eating your legs, right? So, where were we? Oh, right. You are a mermaid! Sprout, someone might hear you. Sorry. For how long were you like this? 2 years, I think. 2 years! Why didn't you tell me? Because you told Shrimpo that if you ever found a mermaid, you would sell it to him for free! Did I say that? I don't think so. Or did I say 50K? The bell. We'll chat about this later. I open my store in 30. How do you, change back? You got a dry towel? Thank you. You knew how to swim all this time? What is that shrilling noise? You never learned how to swim, Cosmo. Yeah, and I still don't know how. I just can't swim without my tail. Cosmo, I didn't know you had a tail. Dandy! Stay out of our conversation. Hold on, you don't have one at all. Wait a minute. Thank you for your insightful comments, Dandy, but nobody asked. We'll be on our way now. You found him! Thank you for finding Pebble. I'll be sure to give you a big discount next time. Thank you, Dandy. Thanks. Let's go before I cook that fish. Before you what? Nothing. See you for pickup, Dandy. Don't drown. Don't drown, Dandy. Gee, Pebble, I know you're trying to help, but you didn't have to go that far. Why don't we pay the lighthouse a visit after Sprouts, Gate's open. Is Scraps here? Scraps! You're not trying to grab the fish in the tank again, are you? Do we need the spray bottle? Nah, just enjoying my dried kelp. Hey, Val! Your cats are calling out for you in the back. I think they're hungry. For the last time, they're not my cats. Come on, Cosmo. Bro, yes they are! And that's your 6th jar this week. You're gonna get sick! I'm getting sick of that hairline. I heard that. Luna! Piss. I got you a tasty salmon. Goodness, girl, you've been eating a lot lately. Is this what storms do to a cat? Dude, are you trying to starve him? I'm not. He's giving me that weird look again. Looks like he wants to eat me. Gary always looks like that. Anyways, question. Since you have to be dry to turn back to normal, how do you turn into a fish then? Right. Now that I don't have to hide it anymore, whenever I'm dipped in water, I have the choice to transform whenever, as long as I have this shell with me. I could show you how I transform sometime. And where'd you find that? Good question. Good morning, Garden View Island! This afternoon's stormy weather forecast is Seedley's hairline because it doesn't exist. You're kidding me. She's right though. Sunny all this afternoon. Can't say the same for this evening as this storm seems to be as big as Tish's mouth. Hey! Thank you for listening to V-Radio! Tune in for more updates as always. Don't drown! Well, it explains why you bring back quality fish. Mind bringing one before tonight? Since the other one was Pebble. As long as you promise that you won't tell a soul about this. Especially Shrimpo. And what happened earlier with Dandy? Haha, that won't happen again. I won't get caught this time. Trust me. Where did his plate go? I ate my plate. I'll see you in a bit. Stay safe. Don't drown. You are now listening to Cousin's Gossip Hour! Ow! Hot, hot, hot. I'll never get tired of the ocean's breeze. I remember being afraid of the water, especially with the storms. And after her... Well, can't do anything about it now. Those fish aren't going to catch themselves. The ocean's so vast and dark. I'll admit, it's a bit scary. Ah, that was fast. And... Gotcha! Too easy. Huh? The sharks didn't come back, did they? Now I wish they did. Ah! Oh, please don't let it be!